Be sure to check out my Patreon for weekly exclusive interviews, extra content on Veve and Ecomi, and building generational wealth, as well as money management tips from experienced whales. Yo, what's going on, y'all? I'm Cavell Anderson, and we are back with another Veve and Ecomi video, and this one is going to be more focused on the Ecomi token. We're going to be looking at John's crypto therapy, and he's actually going to be doing some technical analysis. Based on this, it looks like he's predicting that it's going to go down to 0.0009 as well. Looks like he's expecting a run up. It's in the current zone. Looks like the boxes are circled. I guess that's indicating the current zone he's expecting. Then he expects it to go up to 4, then to eventually land in 5. So I'm assuming that's the pattern he's expecting it to go in. And that is pretty consistent with what God's entry has been doing, because he's been putting he's been trading this. He's been trading, well, not this, but Ethereum. He thinks that things are going to start rising, and then he's getting money on the rise, and he thinks that it's going to be an ultimate crash. So yeah, that being said, we're finna jump into it. Let's see what John thinks. He's another whale in the community, if you don't know. I don't really react to his videos too often, because he speaks about technical analysis in a way where, like, he's just very fast going through it. So if you don't understand technical analysis, it's hard to follow what he's even talking about most of the time. So yeah, that being said, we still gonna jump into it, see what's up. Be sure to drop that thumbs up, subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's get into it, y'all.
Hey, welcome back to another episode of John's Crypto Therapy. Today we're going to talk about Ecomi. I'm going to try to give you guys a quick rundown on what I'm looking at and exactly see if the Elliott wave is still in session. So for those that are wondering, Elliott wave could be absolutely in session. We're at a key level. We're seeing rejections roughly around 0.00106. This is the final mark. This was the zone that we were looking at for wave 3 to actually go back up towards wave 4. Yes, there is a time and structure. We could have used this as wave 4, but right now we do see a deep retracement, no respect in structure. So this structure was our main level of support at 0.00111, and we use this as a great structure basis to buy a lot of Ecomi tokens, and we've seen a lot of moves to the upside. Of course, we did have some patterns. We could see a beautiful symmetrical triangle or a descending triangle in this formation right here. Of course, at this level, when it broke out, this would have been our entry position. For a lot of people that are wondering, this would have been a great entry position. We had a big red candle, a lot of indecision, then we followed with other candles. The bigger solid picture is in fact this beautiful Elliott wave that we drew out. We've seen that wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 to 4 to 5 is still in play. Reasons why we drew this out exactly at the structure 0.0014-ish, and we did see price going all the way back down, rejected this, and now we're seeing that, you know what, this is a solid level. We did see some fake outs, that's awesome, and we are going to lose some trades, but overall it's about your risk to reward, managing your trade, and having the right expectations for us to win the long-term move. Okay, this is not a simple battle. This is a war, and trading is about getting into it and understanding your key levels. So now we're going to draw this in, and we're going to see exactly what is happening with price. So first off, I am going to draw the Elliott wave in a different color, a lighter color, so it can take away all the distractions away from us. Okay, so we do have some confirmations of different patterns forming. We do see this beautiful descending wedge formation happening right here, and this is a great reversal sign. If we do see price reacting, we do see some red dojis, some indecision right here exactly around this trend line, we could start to look for confirmations that we could see price going towards the downside. Is this a good time in the market for us to do so? Yes, Bitcoin is going down, but also Bitcoin has found a key level of support. If that is the case, this could be a price action that we can absolutely see to the upside. So before I am taking any trades, guys, I'm going to show you exactly key levels that I'm going to be putting my buy orders or even my sell orders to see a simple way of formations to go up or down. So right now, what I like to do before I do get into trading, I do want to see the nature of the trend. Okay, so right here, guys, we are seeing lower lows and lower highs, and this is a formation of one thing. This is a downwards movement, a downward spiral, and this is a confirmation of a downtrend. In order for me to have a bias to the upside, I do want to see some bullish activities of levels in the market being broken. So my confirmation is 0.00118. If I do not see this level being broken with a big bullish candle and a confirmational retest, I'm not really looking to buy. Reasons why this is the case is if prices do come back up here, we can see a double top, and a double top is just another confirmation of price going back down, and we do not want to get faked out. This level is going to play a big part on Ecomi and the structures, reasons why we can absolutely see a lot of fake outs, and I do not want a lot of people to lose their money. And remember, everything that I put out is not financial advice. This is just my advice on how I look at the markets and the structures towards the markets. Okay, so right here we also have a confirmation of another zone in the market that does look like it's holding a lot of value for structure. So what I'm going to be doing,
honestly, this is like the first time I've watched one of his videos since I've started learning technical analysis, and I can follow it a lot better than I used to in the past. I'm gonna be honest with you. But like even using his terminologies and stuff when he said dochis and stuff like that, like I'm pretty sure that that's what that is right there when it's indecisive like that. And just like some of the stuff that I actually have been studying, I'm actually seeing right here, seeing the patterns and stuff like this falling wedge, stuff like that. So being able to see this stuff and actually understand, follow along with what it means to an extent, I mean, looks like it's been paying off. All my training has been paying off a little bit, slightly. But I mean, yeah, it's still, I still don't obviously know everything. But and I haven't. It's not like I've been going crazy hard at it. Like that makes me kind of bullish towards my own. Like maybe I should get on this a little bit harder. I should go a little bit harder at it so I can get in here and start making some money with the big boys. Cause yeah, like these, if I get trading down, whew, boy.
is two things. If I am buying, I need to buy above this level at 0.00118 if I'm a trader, and I'm taking my full profits around the 4 zone. So when the 4 zone does happen, put your Fibonacci retracements, guys. Look for your 50% retracement. So this is what you have to do. So get your fib retracement, go towards the bottom of the leg, roughly around this pocket right here. This is where I'm going to be taking my profits, around the 38% and of course the 50% retracement. This is the level where I'm going to be taking profits. I think it is going to be 11% move. Awesome. So it is roughly 11% move, and this is a position that I'm going to be taking if I see confirmational moves to the upside, which I think everyone should look into, especially if you want to accumulate more OMI tokens. Remember, once again, this is not financial advice. This is what I'm doing. If I also see structures at this level getting broken, 0.00111-ish, again, I am going to take a deep sell, and I'm going to take full profits level of 0.00105. The reasons why this could be a double bottom and we could see a reversal, this is a descending wedge, guys. A descending wedge is a reversal sign to the upside. In order for us to have a great buy, sometimes we need to lock away some profits and not trade in certain positions. So that means if you are new to trading, sometimes staying away from this zone right here in the market is a great idea. Reasons why: you might not be good with your entries, and there might be a lot of orders that you cannot place, and it might be a hard time for you to get your orders in and fill all those orders. So sometimes what you could do is look for your ranges in the market and trade off of ranges. So this is all that we learn in my course. We learn about patterns, we learn about zones, ranges, and all of those structures. So if we did have a fake out once and we did see price going down and comes back up, if we are selling, we do want to take it at the same level in case we do see a double bottom and we do see structures going back up.
Let me know. Would y'all be interested in seeing a course from God's entry? Just curious. I'm wondering if who all would really be interested in actually, trying to figure out the like the ins and outs of technical analysis, how the market works and things like that. Maybe some of the tricks of the trades that's made him so profitable. I'm just curious who would be interested in that.
What I'm looking for is two things, guys. This is the only two things I'm looking for. I'm looking to buy above structures right here at 0.00118. Once I see a confirmational break retest, this is my zone to lock in 11% on profits, then look to sell. A great move to look for, okay? The other thing is, if I do see price break 0.0010 5-ish levels, I am looking for my wave 5 completion. So this is all in the books, guys. Please make sure to follow these simple rules if you do want to be a great trader and you want to execute your trades for OMI. This might be really quick, and I understand there is some new traders in my group and they're watching me and stuff like that, but guys, you got to understand, I do have professional traders watching me as well. I'm trying to diversify as much as I can. I will be making shorter videos for them as well, and also a long explanation videos for you guys as well. So this is my way of showing you guys Please keep it simple. Trading is always about keeping things simple. Manage your risk, your reward, and go from there. Sometimes the best thing to do, I repeat guys, sometimes the best thing to do, if you know the market is in a volatile stage and is not respecting a zone, wait for the outer zones to be broken just to confirm to yourself if it breaks up, it breaks a higher high, so we are going higher in case. And indeed, if it breaks to the downside, we're making a lower low, then of course we're following a downtrend. Because this pattern is a downtrend, but this pattern is a reversal sign, this could be a confirmation of a break. So that's why I once again will tell you 0.00118-ish needs to be broken with confirmation retest, respect of the zone, in order for us to go to 4. If it breaks below it, we're going to go to zone 5. We're going to take some profits and we're going to go from there. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much. Take it easy and John out. Peace.
Yeah, so this was a dope video. It was pretty interesting. A lot of information. Looked like he's really expecting a bullish reversal. We'll see if that happens. I mean, it is consistent with what I'm hearing was going to happen. But yeah, man, there we have it, y'all. That's pretty much it. Let me know y'all thoughts in the comment section down below. Pretty much ended there, y'all. Be sure to drop that thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and I will catch you all on the next one. Peace out, fam.